Buongiorno, welcome to Milan. We got in last night to our apartment in the Brera district and we're quite well rested now.
We are. We're in a really awesome apartment, so I'll show you around. Come with me. Here is our living room. It's super duper nice. We've got a couch for lounging on. We've got a fireplace, which I don't think we're allowed to light. We've got double doors. We've also got a nice area for dining. We've got a kitchen with everything you need to cook a meal, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to cook our own dinner. We've also got this sort of second area where someone else could sleep. But I'll show you the bathroom and the bedroom. So this is the bedroom, it looks out into the street as well. And here's the bathroom. What's your thoughts, Logan?
Lovely place to stay, so spacious.
It's beautiful. And it wasn't all that expensive. So I'm really happy with this.
Buongiorno.
Here we are in Sempione Park. We've been here before, but today we're seeing some different things. We're actually on our way to do some laundry because we need some clean clothes. Not a bad walk, huh?
Lovely winter's morning. Just waiting for our laundry and we picked up 2 cappuccinos, €3 together. Bargain.
Always better value if you take away. So we've finished our laundry, we've walked back through the park and we've picked up some pizza on the way. Now this is in the style where they cook a big focaccia style bread with toppings, then they cut it up into pieces and you can just buy it takeaway or you can sit down and eat it. These 2 pieces cost about €7 in total. Mine has zucchini, a tomato based sauce, and it's got olives and some rocket as well. It's like a focaccia, really aerated bread. Good crunch to it, but quite light on the inside. This is really beautiful.
And I just went for the classic margarita, can't beat it. Andiamo. So saucy. And darkness had no need of aid from them. She was the universe. Right, we're back in Brera and it's time to go ingredients shopping for dinner. As always, I'm hungry.
fish done. The pasta we're using today is orecchiette, which means ears. Up some prosciutto to make some little lardons for the top. And I'm going to fry these off so they're crispy.
Tim strikes again. Buon appetito.
Salute.